This is me, Caroline. And this is my little sister.
Yeah.
This is my little sister, Hope.
Yeah.
Today we're going to show you how to play
Why
slime.
are you supposed to have to tell them something? And also we are going to Easter.
Yes. So first, we play with slime, this is very fun how to play with slime.
Yeah.
Slime is that it's like awesome and you play with it a lot, which is that mine's pretty cool.
Me too. Mine too, and they have sparkles.
Well, hers has a little bit sparkles, but this right here is mine. So mine's really good. She always likes to have a little bit of mine because she thinks mine's very, very beautiful, right? Right? Yeah. Anywho, we were going to show you how to play with slime.
Yeah.
So, today, which is I'm going to show you, is be quiet. Shh. Listen.
Hey guys, be
You hear
quiet.
that?
Hey guys, be quiet.
I mean, y'all, mine has glitter in it, so the glitter, like when I play with it, it goes all on my hands. See that? So, but it's okay. I can wash my hands after we play with slime. Anywho, I could switch my slime.
Me too. Which is kind of like a hot.
And which is, I love slime and I love to play with it.
Yeah.
It's actually my first time
Can
playing
I
with
get-
slime, so
can-
I bought it,
can
so
I-
yeah.
Can we trade? We trade.
We're not gonna trade slime and not keep it and stuff, right?
Yeah, I want to try.
We're just trading so we can fill them together, so
Yeah.
that's what we're doing.
Yes, the really can't trade.
I mean yours feels like really flank and all that stuff.
Yes, that gritty country.
Okay, we're gonna switch black. Okay. Anywho,
Nice switch.
I just had mine. So
But I want to do it 4 times.
4 times? Okay, some reason she likes doing it 4 times.
7 times.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, that you know what? You don't have to count it.
Okay, look at mine hands. Ooh. Okay. Okay, somehow her slime is really like a pooply slime. Her slime is really weird. Okay, we're gonna switch back now. Okay.
No. I have the slime.
Okay, it's time.
No, I have the slime.
Okay, so
Hey guys, you gotta have a broken arm.
yeah, she does. Okay.
No, I have the slime.
I'm gonna try mine.
And then we're gonna get it back.
Okay. Finally.
And we're going
So some reason that mine.
you trade back.
No.
Yes.
She always likes to keep mine, and I'm not a very meaner to her, but she's very, very mean to me sometimes. Even I'm her sister. Even times she be nice.
Oh, it's beautiful. It has sparkles.
I know. She scraped me today. Actually, she just scratched me. Anywho, we're gonna switch back.
No.
Are you keeping mine, Hope?
No. I want to hold it.
Okay. Anywho, I'm gonna show some fun tricks with how do you do mine. So yeah, and she's gonna show you some fun tricks. How do you do yours? You ready? We have to switch.
And
back.
Cameron, and also before we do, guess what? We're going to show them and try do mine, and you're going to let me do yours, and you're going to let me. You're going to hold mine, and I'm going to hold yours. Okay?
Okay.
We're going to show them how we do tricks. Let's show you how tricks.
So my trick is that you could scratch.
And
mine.
my
I think mine glows in the dark because I don't even know the answer.
and also I can do that.
Okay, and mine could twist your arms like this. Y'all know how to do that? And look.
Hey, Cleo, it's my sparches. Try sparches. And also, and I can do that.
Okay.
And also you can do a poppy nose while you do that.
Woo, woo, woo.
So you try to do.
Wait, stop. I gotta get this all out.
Now give it to me.
Okay. I don't know. Every time she likes just switching up.
And also that we're going to show you how tricks do when you hold them on and hold them in your slab. And by the way, I just saw the bubble in Can Wands. And my stomach still hurt right now.
Okay. Anywho, so yeah. That's what we're gonna be doing.
Ow, my stomach.
Okay, now we're gonna switch back. Here. So guys, that's it for today. And subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Give us a huge thumbs up. Bye.